Current and future, in service, Algerian Air Force, fighter jets, special mission jets, helicopters, trainer jets and UAV. Sukhoi, Su-30, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 58, on order, 16. Mikoyan, MiG-29, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 32, on order, 14. Sukhoi, Su-24, role, attack aircraft, in service, 22. Beechcraft, 1900D, role, surveillance, in service, 6. MiL Mi-8 Mi-17, role, transport helicopter, in service, 137. MiL Mi-24, role, attack helicopter, in service, 33. MiL Mi-28, role, attack helicopter, in service, 12, on order, 30. Yakovlev, Yak-130, role, advanced trainer, in service, 16. Aero, L-39, Albatros, role, advanced trainer, in service, 55. Yabhan, United, 40, role, male UCAV, in service, 10+. Rainbow, CH-3A, role, male UCAV, in service, unknown. Sukhoi, Su-57, role, stealth multi-role fighter, on order, 14. Sukhoi, Su-35, role, multi-role aircraft, on order, 14. Sukhoi, Su-34, role, fighter bomber, on order, 14. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.